This is tutorial number 122, and it is the drawing intro within Catia V5. To start off, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new drawing file. So to do this, click File, click New, and click Drawing. Click OK. Now you're able to choose from different styles, different standards. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using the ISO standard, and I'm going to use it in landscape. So depending on what you want and what sizes you need, you're able to play around in here. You're able to change the sizes, change the styles. It's all up to you. So right now, just open it up with a landscape, and our size is going to be A0. Click OK, and we have our first drawing sheet. So what we're going to do in these next group of tutorials is we're going to be going over the drawing and drawing features in Catia V5. So from the beginning of this tutorial, we've slowly stepped through, and the drawings is one of the finalization and ending of your part and assembly creations. So we started out with sketching and learning how to sketch. Then we went to parts and the part design. Then we went to assemblies and how to bring our parts together. And now with the assemblies and parts, we're able to go and create our drawings. So from these drawings, you're able to send these out for quotes. It's just going to be the finalization of your design and your assemblies and components. So like I said, in the next tutorials, we're going to be going over a bunch of the tools in the drawings to bring our components and assemblies into the drawing environment and apply all the necessary dimensioning and tolerances. And that concludes our tutorial on the drawing intro in Catia V5.